profitable business in Nigeria, with food prices rising daily, smart entrepreneurs are passionate about it. If you want to start a food stock business and make serious money, then keep watching because I'll be breaking it all down for you. From the best food items to sell, where to buy cheap, how to store food stuff properly, and the best strategy to grow your business. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the business tips. Why food stock business is profitable? Food is like a over 200 million people buy food stuff almost every day, whether the economy is good or bad. That means it is always a business. Types of food stuff use. Before you start, you need to decide what types of food stuff you want to sell. Here are some of the best options to make profit. Maize and staples. Rice, beans, garri, maize, millet, wheat. Tubers. Yam, potatoes, cassava. Oil and spices. Palm oil, olive oil, pepper, seasoning. Flour products. Cereal, wheat flour. Protein sources: dry fish, stockfish, eggs, crayfish. Perishables: fresh tomatoes, onions, vegetables. You can choose to focus on one category or sell a mix of foodstuffs to attract more customers. Where to buy foodstuff cheap in Nigeria? Now, where do you buy foodstuff at cheap prices so you can make a good profit? Local farms: buy directly from farmers in villages like Makurdi or Yansa. For beans, Plateau State for tomatoes and potatoes, and Ogun State for garri. Wholesale markets: popular markets like Terminus Market Jos, My Top Market Lagos, Dawani Market Kano, Oyibo Market Lagos, and Bodija Market Ibadan like rice, beans, garri, and maize. Store in airtight containers or stacks in a dry, cool place. Use insect repellents like dry pepper or bay leaves to prevent weevils. Palm oil and groundnut oil. Store in plastic containers away from sunlight to prevent spoilage. Tubers: yam, potatoes, cassava. Keep in a well-ventilated area away from excess moisture to prevent rotting. Dry fish and crayfish. Store in a cool, dry place or freeze them to keep them fresh. Perishables like tomatoes, onions, and vegetables. Refrigerate or store in a cool, ventilated area to extend their lifespan. Proper storage will save you from unnecessary losses and increase your profit. Pricing and profit strategy. To make money, you need the right pricing strategy. Here's what you should do. Check market prices daily. Prices fluctuate, so always stay updated. Buy in bulk and sell in smaller quantities. This increases your profit margin. Offer discounts for bulk buyers. This attracts more customers. Keep your expenses low. Reduce unnecessary spending to maximize profits. How to market your foodstuff business. Marketing is key to growing your business. Here are some simple ways to attract more customers. Sell on WhatsApp and Facebook. Take pictures of your products and post them daily. Use Instagram and TikTok. Short videos of your products can attract buyers. Offer home delivery. Partner with a bike rider to deliver orders. Partner with local restaurants. Supply food items to restaurants and canteens. The more people know about your business, the more sales you will make. And that's how you start a profitable foodstuff business in Nigeria. If you found this video helpful, Give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. What food stuff are you planning to sell? Let's talk in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more business tips and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Bye.